Before you begin, remove the service cover. Removal. Important. Make careful note of which wireless WAN antenna cable is connected to each terminal on the wireless WAN module for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the base enclosure and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless WAN module. Important. When installing the wireless WAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot in the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.